Now you're ready to paint. Each bottle of this concentrated watercolor comes with its own dropper, which is so convenient. You just need a little bit for this project so you can see how small the amount is that I'm using. Because it's concentrated, you'll want to add water to your drop. You can either use an eyedropper if you have it, or a paintbrush. If you're using an eyedropper, just grab some clean water and drop it right into your paint. I typically do about 2 drops of water for every 1 drop of paint. You can do the same process with a paintbrush. Just load your paintbrush with water and drop it right into your puddle. Mix the paint with the water and you're ready to go. Remember that you can always add a few more drops if you want it more intense, or add more water if you'd like it lighter. Now you're ready to paint your fish. Be sure to try all sorts of techniques as you've got plenty of fish and plenty of colors. Here I'm doing wet onto wet, which means I'm wetting my paper first, and then I'll use the wet paint and drop it right into my wet ground. When you've painted in the first layer of some of your fish and they've dried, you can come back and add a second layer. Add in a little more color to your wet puddle and you've got a more intense concentration of color. You can use this to paint right over your first layer. You can add stripes, polka dots, anything that's fun. When your first and second layers are all dry, you can come back in with markers and paint pens and decorate to your heart's content.